Hi, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to increase your computer's RAM. My name is Amy Maurice. If you are new on my channel, then click subscribe to see all my videos. Go to search bar, type about your PC. You will find installed RAM. If you want to increase it, then go to Advanced System Settings. Click Settings button. Go to Advanced. Click Change. Uncheck here. Go to Custom Size. Then use this calculations. I will use this one because my RAM is 4 GB. Then OK. Restart your PC to apply these changes. Don't forget subscribe and comment.